Hey guys, it's Adrian once again. Another video. I'm finna show you how to make $100 to $500 a day with our tools every day by giving them away for free. That's unbelievable, right, guys? How can you make $100 to $500 a day? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can do this. Yesterday, I built this sales funnel. Let's start with the capture page first, so I can show you. I made this capture page yesterday. A little bit. I made it a couple days ago, but and then this the sale page. Once they enter their name and email, they'll come to this page. Now these are tools, guys, that we have in the back office with the Conversion Pros, and these tools are very powerful. So if you get a chance to watch these videos very powerful because the way I made this sale page, guys, is I made it for online and offline people. People that own barbershops, people that own nail shops, for the most part, small business people, and they want to, you know, get more bang for their marketing money, wherever they spend in newspaper ads. But now they know that they can contact the people right away with our app. And I got a movie on, guy. I'm watching the Book of Eli. So let me pause it. Yeah. I was just doing some editing a little bit this morning when I got home from my janitorial business. So guys, yeah, this right here I made yesterday, this sale video right here. Make sure you watch both videos, guys. Very powerful. I don't care if you have a cleaning business, janitorial business, a nail business, because this right here will increase your income. If you got an online business, this will increase your income with one of our tools. We got a lot of tools, guys. Let's keep on going down. And then I wrote with the Conversion Pros tools right here. We got capture page, landing page builder, custom autoresponder, email broadcaster, text message broadcaster, blog creator, invoice generator, URL tracker, internet marketing training, and much more, guys. And if you buy each one of them separate, you'll be out about $400 a month. All right. And we giving you just 14 days for free. And the second video, or third video I have is how much can you earn with the Conversion Pros, right? You get 400 people, online business people or offline business people, because they can use these tools. That's $10,000 per month plus whatever you doing besides just the marketing system guy. 14-day free trial, no obligation, no credit card required. Right. Then I put the fourth video, the testimonials. This is an hour, but people will tell you that how much they making, guys. And then I wrote this right here. And the beauty of this business, guys, is if you join my team, I'll give you my share code. So this page will be already made for you in your back office if you join my team. So I'll make you this. I have this page for you. I'll give you my share codes, and I'll give you my capture page right here, guys. So like today, I finna test. This campaign with MLM leads. I'm finna buy like 200 clicks and see how it do. So I'm always testing, guys. So I'm gonna test this right here, and they're gonna land right here, and I'm gonna see what it do. All right, guys, quick little video for this Friday. Just I made this, the last couple of days, I'll say, but had to edit it a little bit, like today. But yeah, I'm gonna test it out, guys. If I don't leave this right here, guys, so you can watch the whole thing. I don't leave this right here, the capture page link below. in the description and in the comment area. So if you want to check it out, guys, feel free to check it out and see if is a fit for you. And if you join my team, I'll definitely give you the share codes for both of these pages. Number 1 page and number 2 page. So it'll be all directed to you. And if all you gotta do is change the affiliate link to yours. Okay. All right, guys. Once again, it's your friend Adrian. I am out. Happy weekend. Love and peace.